everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I have my very first kit from Echo Park. I decided to give their monthly kit a try and see what kind of products came in it and see if I liked it. So this is my very first one. I haven't opened a box yet. I just found it on my front porch. So let's open it and see what we get. Oop, that just hit my light. Okay. Christmas Market. Introducing our Christmas Market collection, available in stores August 2019. Love me some Christmas paper. They always have some really pretty Christmas paper. Love any kind of plaid, snowflakes, and poinsettias. This looks cute. Oh, Happy Halloween collection, available in stores in July. That looks really cute too. Okay. Best Summer Ever Inspiration. So this is the July kit's called Best Summer Ever, I guess. And so you get a lot of different inspiration ideas, and you get stuff for scrapbook layout, boxes, little photo things, lots of cards. So a lot of different little fun ideas. Oh, and here's some step-by-step for a card and a scrapbook layout. So that's kind of cool. Alright, 30 free prints. There's several. Oh, this is just a little code for Persnickety Prints. 30 free 4x6 photographs from Persnickety Prints. Matte or glossy. Add white border for a unique look. Code EP63J24 if you're interested. Alright, so let's see what we got now. Okay, let's start with this little stamp set right here. Summer is so much sweeter with you. You get this cute little bikini. Hello Sunshine. Best Summer Ever. Little flamingos are always fun. A little popsicle, another little ice cream cone, flower, butterfly, pineapple, word fun, another kind of flower, summer, hello, and a word bubble. Those are one piece. You get a pretzel, another ice cream, a heart, and then an ice cream truck with a big ice cream cone on top. So that's cute. Okay, you get some ephemera, the frames and tags. Here, I'll just open this up real quick and just take a quick peek. Yeah, those are a lot of fun summery things. Do lots of scrapbooking, lots of fun summer cards. Let's see how many pieces. There's 33 pieces in all in that. And because there's tags, so if you got summer birthdays, you got a tag right there. Okay, and this is chipboard accents. So this is pretty cool. This is huge. This is really thick too. So a lot of fun, like the drinks. That's cute. More bathing suits. The watermelon is really neat. Another bathing suit. Lots of popsicles. Like the banner. That's cute. All right. Enamel dots. Oh, those are pretty colors. Yeah, those are pretty. Oh, that's the back to the stamp set. There we go. Alright, the 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided prints. Slice this open real quick. I'll always love a good gingham, and that's kind of an indigo color. Sunglasses, watermelons, some cut-aparts, or you can leave it whole. Ice creams, a fun little summer page, another gingham, barbecue, lines, popsicles, more lines, rainbow. It's a fun ice cream trucks and things. I like that line. Oh, pretty colors. The flamingos are so cute. little cut apart page, and that's where it starts over. Very pretty. And then you also get some 12 by 12 paper for the scrapbooks. So, oh, and there's a sticker sheet in here too. Let's open this up. Ooh, lots of stickers on here. Very cool. And then you get, these are all double-sided. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 double-sided sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock. So this you can use for obviously scrapbooking, but if you like to do seasonal home decor, you know, you can use this to back shadow boxes, or you know, do mats for inside of frames. As you have a favorite summer picture you want to pick out, you can make a frame out of one of these cute pattern papers. You know, just all sorts of things that you can use the larger paper for, other than scrapbooking. So this is the Echo Park July kit called Best Summer Ever. So I'm going to get a couple of these and, you know, play with them, you know, see how they work with, you know, my style of crafting. I probably definitely will kind of go through the holidays and get their holiday stuff. But anyway, I'll share a link down below, as is not somebody that I'm affiliated with or anything. I just decided I wanted to give it a try out. So if it's something that interests you, echopark.com, and sign up. I'll see you soon in the next video.